Hello and welcome to the tutorial on Tookan Tracker. Make sure that the tracker is already installed in your vehicle before you follow the next step. Firstly, log into your dashboard and then go to the side menu and click on Tookan extensions. After the Tookan extension page opens, search for Tookan Tracker extension. Then click on Activate. After that, you can see on the top bar there is a tracker view toggle. Switch it on and all fleets under the tracker will be visible in the agent pane. Now click on Add Agent to add more agents and fill the information. Fill the GPS ID and GPS device type and configure. Now the tracker view is on and the location of the tracker connected to the vehicle will be visible on the screen. When you switch off the tracker view, the location of the agent will be visible through his agent app. As you can see, we don't have a timeline here yet, which means that the vehicle hasn't moved today. Now when the tracker is on, we can see the current location of the tracker. The agent's location can be different from the location of the GPS. The agent timeline will be shown on the right side of the dashboard. Now, when you switch on the tracker view, the location of the tracker will be visible. Now we will compare the timelines. If the agent switches off the GPS location of his device or switches off his internet connection, then it is not possible to fetch his activity timeline and current location. As you can see, the polyline is missing at some points, which can affect his daily activity timeline and distance calculations. So, if the tracker is installed, you will see the exact location and timeline of the agent vehicle as well as the start and stop points. It will increase the accuracy of distance calculated by the agent and all his related events. Here we can clearly see his timeline on the right side of the dashboard. You can also find the path history of the agent. The Show Path History option is available on the task pane of the dashboard. The number of tasks executed can be easily viewed here. It makes it more accurate to calculate the exact distance traveled by the agent. However, there are chances that a very poor network can hinder the start and end points of a trip. This helps to monitor the task executed by the agents more efficiently by calculating exact distances and time related to that task. Also view various logs related to Tookan Tracker. For this, you have to click on the side menu bar, go to Settings and Tracker Logs will be visible. Click on Tracker Logs. Alerts like low battery, overspeed and geofence will be visible. Drop down ID device type and dates is also available. Low battery alert is for when tracker is going to be out of battery or is plugged out of the vehicle. Desired speed limit set is crossed, then the log will go to the admin. This can be done through setting over speed limit. Geofence. You can set a virtual boundary for your vehicles. When they move out of the boundary, the admin will get an alert in the dashboard and the logs will be added to the tracker logs. Click on Add Configuration, select Model Type, set Overspeed Limit and Geofence. You can also add Geofence alert timing, that is how many minutes outside the geofence will you receive an alert. We hope this information was helpful to you.